Howdy there, YouTube. This is MooMoo, and I just got my eyes checked, and I got my pupils dilated. I can't tell. Yeah, you can see the pupils are really huge right now, so I see better without my glasses right now. But I just wanted to make an apology because I meant to be starting fresh, and because I have a lot of time now, because I'm taking a break from college, that I was gonna do better on uploading more, but I ended up slacking, and I kinda failed on you guys on uploading every day, and failing on you guys, I also failed on myself, because I thought I can do this, and I messed up. And I'm not quitting. I don't know if I asked too much of myself, or if I'm just not pushing myself enough. And this is also why I took a break off of college, is because I was slacking in college. And Angel would stop chewing on her cage. Edit this. This is my little baby. Okay, wait, hold on. This is my little baby. She's a ratty rat. Mwah. Mommy loves you. Yes, she does. Mwah. Okay, so I just showed you Angel. So when I'm talking about Angel and telling the young lady to stop looking at me in that tone of voice, that's who I'm talking to. I'm not talking to any of you or some random... Will you stop sneezing? I'm not talking to anything weird or anything. Just talking to my rat, you know, like every normal human being does. And, yeah. I enjoy playing the games. And the thing is, I do end up playing the games. My problem is, I don't like the editing. And I need to edit before I upload. Especially with this new software. I don't know if I can, upload directly. And the fact that I'm using a face cam now, needing to make sure that, I know, in some of the recording and stuff I did, it's, very scrapped up. I'm not gonna be able to use it. And that really makes me upset. I have stuff recorded, and I have stuff to upload. But, I haven't gotten around to actually uploading and editing out the boring parts. I'm actually gonna start doing that now. With Town of Salem, I really can't, because I don't want you guys to miss anything, story-wise with it, because that's, really important to it, and I keep saying and I'm really, really annoyed by that right now. But it's hard for me to actually get across how much you guys really mean to me by the fact that I keep pushing you guys away. I don't feel like I am really making that much of a difference. I know not a lot of people actually watch the videos, but the fact that I have 73 subs, I believe, it's just totally mind-boggling to me. And I watch these YouTubers like Markiplier, that he's hitting these million markers, and he's just wow. And Jacksepticeye hitting his, I forget what it is, how many, and these guys are hitting these high numbers, and they're acting like how I am was like just 70 subs. Like when I hit 50 subs, I was like freaking out. And like I was as touched as these guys were hitting these huge milestones, and then I'm just here like, hey, I just got 70 subs, and like I've made friends that play games, and they've made, like, they're in the 300s sometimes, like, in subs, and I'm like, I have 70, and they have friends that have like 1 sub, and like, it's not hard, like, to get somewhere in YouTube, but like you have to self-advertise and everything. A lot of times, like, people aren't just gonna randomly search your name. Like, you have to tell your friends, and then your friends tell their friends. Sometimes, if you're funny enough, I guess. But I'm sorry about the sniffing. I blew my nose, but edited that out. So, trying to stop the but I don't know how I can tell you guys, like, how much it means to have you guys here. Like, I know it's not many, and I know, like, some of you are just sub because I'm like, hey, I have a YouTube channel, but you don't actually watch my content. But just, I don't know how to say how much actually means to me. And I'm sorry, I'm crying. I don't know why. I just get emotional about stupid stuff. But I feel like I'm letting you down, like the few that actually watch my videos when I upload them and stuff. I feel like I'm letting you guys down by not uploading. And as much as, like, I try to help people. That's what I want to do. That's why I want to be a teacher, is I want to help people. And I want this channel, like, 70 is great. That's like, it's mind-boggling to me that I can get that many subscribers. But, like, it has yet to become a community. Like, it has yet to, like, for me to have, like, just a regular amount of, like maybe 20-some views on each video. Like, I don't even need all 70 to watch. Like, even if it's, like, random people watching my videos, not even my subscribers, I only get, like, 5 views max sometimes. Like, but, like, I get the views along the way, but, and I'm not chastising you guys for not watching my videos. If you don't normally watch my videos, you're not watching this one. But I'm preaching to the choir here. But I want so much more for the YouTube channel. Like, I want to be able to have a community, kind of like Jacksepticeye's and kind of like Markiplier's, where we can just, like, I've stopped doing it for me. It used to be like, I want to be noticed, and that's, like, YouTube isn't the way to be noticed anymore. Because so many, like, anybody can have a YouTube. Anybody can post a video. Anyone can talk to a camera. Some people are better at it than others, that's for sure. But anyone can do this. And like, you can get noticed for stupid things. Like, you have the guy from Target. I don't follow that stuff, so I don't really know the whole story behind that, but, like, all he did was do his job. And then you have these people that try to get noticed that they're never talked about in their life. And you have these people that are like me. I don't necessarily want to be noticed. I don't mind being in the background. Being in the background I actually prefer, because then if I mess up, nobody notices. But like, I want to help people, and sometimes when you go to help people, it's kind of hard to stay in the background, even though like it's not entirely hard, but when you want to help so many people at one time, that's when you end up being thrown out in the front and people start to notice. But like what I want in this YouTube community is just that. I want a community, and this is gonna be such a long video, but like, I want people to understand that with their struggles and stuff, and like things that get them down in life, they're not alone in their battles. You're never alone in life, no matter what. I used to think I was alone, and I know how it feels to not want to live anymore. I've been there, and I've thought about ending my life, and my computer wants to die. Sorry. I've been at that point where I've wanted to end my life, and you may notice, like, when I play games and stuff, I might like call somebody a douche or something, but I never cuss and stuff. And I've emphasized this in previous videos, that I'm a Christian. Yes, I don't always say the nicest of things, but I am a Christian, and I go to church, and I'm gonna get harsh reviews for being a Christian, because not everybody, like, and also being a girl that plays video games, they're like, I'm gonna be harshly criticized for that. Like, why play video games when you're not even good at them? And well, I've been told by friends, by family, like, not always family, but at least friends, and when I play online with people on PlayStation and even on Gary's Mod and stuff like that, before I started recording there, that they thought my reactions to things were pretty funny. And I thought, hey, if I get a camera pointed at my face and I start playing these games like I normally do, with my crazy antics, like, of course I talk a little bit more than I normally do, but like, I don't know how to say what I want to say. Like, this is why I ended up with the MooMoo Blabbers. It's because I just end up rambling, but I just want to say that I'm not trying to be Markiplier or Jacksepticeye or anybody else. I'm not gonna become a PewDiePie. I'm not gonna be Cinnamon Toast Ken. I'm not gonna be Chilled Chaos. I'm not gonna be Manga Minx. I'm not gonna be them. I'm gonna be MooMoo. Like, and as you probably figured out from different videos and people shouting out my name, that my name is Shannon, and I will vlog stuff and everything. I don't know, I might make a different vlog channel, but probably not. But I want, I don't know if this will become a career. I don't know if this will be detrimental to me wanting to be a teacher, but I want to have this community. I can't even emphasize how much I want this community to work out and be a thing. Even if I end up reaching millions of subscribers, which I highly doubt. I'm not even touching 100 yet, but I just started last summer. Not last summer, the summer, I don't know. I think was it last summer? No, it was the summer, I don't know. I think it was whenever the first Town of Salem video went up. That's when I started trying, and I started this channel about 2 years ago or something like that, and I put up the singing videos, and then YouTube got a little bit heavy on their content ID system, and I don't want my channel to go down because they're hidden on content. So you guys aren't my first priority, but you're not my last priority either. And lately my priorities have shifted to a point where I've been putting myself first, which is very different for me. I've used to just be so much about other people that I never even thought about putting myself first. But lately I've been getting really selfish, and I've gotten lazy. I have no reason to think otherwise. It's just me being lazy, and I keep cocking my head to the side because my hair moves then. I'm sorry, but I think I blabbered on enough. But I want you guys to know that you guys actually do mean so much to me, and I'm tearing up again. Holy crap. If I could stop crying, though, I might actually shut up. I'm gonna go through the content that I have and see how much I have that's recorded that I can actually intelligibly edit and everything, so you don't need to go through what you went, with the one murder episode. I did record more that's like that, where my voice is really quiet, that I'm going to edit and upload, but it's not going to be, I'm not gonna edit anymore that has the voice really quiet for me, or later I thought I fixed it and I ended up making there be double sound for me, which is not good. But I think I figured out the software. I figured out how it works. But I'm not entirely I'm not gonna be the best YouTuber. I'm gonna try to do my best with my Let's Plays and stuff. I'm gonna get the Stanley Parable up and running again, and we're gonna play through that, and we're gonna have fun. Trust me, we're gonna have fun doing it. And if you're not trusting me, I'm gonna slap you across the face, because I know that you're gonna have as much as I am. Let me do that again with the full sentence I was trying to say. You're gonna have as much fun as I am. Like, and I know the Stanley Parable's now pretty much old news and old hat, but it's never not been a cool game. Like, it's... And if you think it's not a cool game anymore, well, you don't need to watch my videos. And I'm not telling you that you have to watch them. If you don't want to watch the game, like, that I'm playing, or if you just don't like the content anymore, that's fine. You don't need to watch that video, but, like, you can always check again to see if I have any new content that you might like. Like, if I can recover stuff from my old laptop, like my monologues, or maybe write new monologues. Like, I wouldn't mind, like, setting up a whole dramatic thing where I'm in costume, I've done makeup and everything, that I read through my monologues. And I know, like, and maybe even do a MooMoo reads this, or, you know, like, let's read, or something like that. I wouldn't mind doing that. Or, like, I'm not the best with makeup and stuff. You can't really see because it's a crappy laptop camera. But with my better camera, like, which you see in, like, previous, like, the MooMoo Blabbers 50 sub special video I did with that camera, I can show you makeup tutorials if people want that, which I don't think they do, especially because I'm so bad at makeup. But, like, I can show you how I put, like, finger paint in your hair if you have a lighter color hair, if you want, like, temporary color. But then again, like, not everybody has light color hair. It doesn't even look light on the camera, but, like, it's dirty blonde, folks. I'm a dirty blonde. Get your minds out of the gutter. But, like, I want the games. I want to be playing games, because I enjoy playing video games. I enjoy playing them so much that I end up playing them too much that I'm not uploading for you guys. Like, the reason that I'm not uploading is because I end up playing on the PlayStation. And I can't record the stuff that I play on the PlayStation because I don't have the proper equipment. Like, I don't even have a proper camera. Then again, I need money for that. And I don't have the money right now. And people say to partner with YouTube, but I don't know if I want to partner yet because, well, I haven't been uploading. And I don't want to partner and then, like, have the partnership expire before I actually have a chance to do anything. And I don't know, I need to look more into some of this stuff. I don't know how it would be getting a paycheck from YouTube. I don't think having 70 subs is worth, like, I don't feel like I'm worth YouTube's time to give me a paycheck, because what am I? I'm just a 20-year-old girl playing video games. And anybody, that's anybody, you know? Like, any 20-year-old woman could hop onto the computer with a game attached and, like, download some of this free software and record her playing the game and be like, hey, it's a let's play. Excuse me. And that's basically what I'm doing, but, and for you guys that are like, don't talk down on yourself, like, probably at this point, you're probably like, don't talk down on yourself, and I'm not talking down on myself. I'm just saying what I'm doing. Like, I'm playing video games, and you guys are watching me do it, and like, I'm not the best at these games, and especially because the frame rate ends up dropping in the games. It makes it even harder to play, but like I have plans to play some Flash games and some stuff that the YouTubers I've watched played that are free games, and you know, so I don't need to pay. But like, now that I can work a webcam, like, if I can re-download Amnesia: The Dark Descent, I think you guys would enjoy watching me freak out. And like, I'll probably get to a point where I'm like, okay, this video, if it gets so many likes, then I'll continue. I am just done. But like, because my reaction to horror is rather girlish. I don't know. Like, I love how I went from like crying to like, I'm so happy. But I don't know if my eyes are de-dilating. No, looks like they're still very dilated. I need to stop talking. I need to stop talking so much. By this point in the entire vlog, you all have already checked out, and I'm just still talking to myself. Talking to the camera right there. Hey! But, okay. Before this ends up being like a half-hour long vlog, I am gonna be chopping this up. Trying to make it coherent, that you understand what I'm saying and stuff. But before I get it really long, if you liked it, subscribe. If not, oh, welcome back another time, and leave comments. Tell me what you want. Like, if you're a subscriber and you don't normally watch like my Town of Salem's, but you want me to play Minecraft, tell me what you want me to do. Like, if I don't like the idea, I won't do it, but maybe you'll say something and I'll try it out and actually enjoy it, and then you'll have something to watch, and I'll have fun making the thing that you want to watch. And I don't know what you guys want unless you tell me. And I'm not a mind reader. I can just do something that I enjoy and then have nobody watching because they've got bored with it. But if you tell me what you want to see, I can try to do that and try to get like some other people involved. Like, Gary's mod is very sad to play alone. But like, if I like Gary's mod, I need to make sure I have at least one other person to play with, because then it gets very, very bad alone. But games like the Stanley Parable, that's something on its own. Or if you want me to play Happy Wheels, that's something to do on its own. Or even just like random stuff on addicting games, or like Balloon Tower Defense, like that stupid strategy game that like took hours away of my life when I was younger. There's like just bunches of stuff that's out there that I don't know if you guys want me to play. Like, I'm sticking to stuff that I've seen other people play, or I've played in the past that might make a good video, but I don't know what you guys want me to do. And just so I started talking again. I need to stop. Leave a comment down at the bottom about what you want want to see happen on this channel, or like what you might want to happen in the channel. Like, if you think the monologues is a good idea, I'll work on it. If you want me, like, I wrote a story, if you want me to read like creepypastas and stuff, I'll work on that too. Like, I'll look up creepypastas, or you can send me creepypastas to read, and I'll work on it, and I'll make it, like, I'll do it. Like, I'll make it spectacular, because I want our community to happen, you know? Like, I'm planning on reading a story that my sister wrote, and like, I don't know if I want to read my story, because my story is pretty long. Like, I might, and I'd be going chapter by chapter, and my computer keeps falling asleep because I'm talking too long. But that's what I want to do. I want you guys to tell me what you want to see on the channel, and I'll work on doing the best I can to make you guys happy. And also, word of mouth is huge. Like, I'm not saying that I'm not happy enough having 70 subs, but just to, like, see the numbers grow, and, like, it's mind-blowing for me that people actually think I'm worth subscribing to. But then the fact that people actually watch the videos, that's, like, surprising to me. And the fact that the numbers of subscribers has grown is huge. Like, I don't know how to thank you guys enough. And the goals that I have in my head, we might actually be able to reach it. And that's mind-blowing to me. Like, the fact that something I've thought could actually become a reality. Like, it's not just a girlish fantasy that, like, because only so many people can have that success, that only they can have the success. Like, just the fact that I can actually make a difference, actually help people, it's huge to me. And I just whacked my microphone. I'm sorry, and I'm crying again. And before I cry even more, I hate crying. Oh, I'm gonna stop the vlog here. If you liked it, subscribe. If not, oh well, come back another time. And I'll see you in another video. Bye. Bye-bye. I need to blow my nose.